My name is Evan Gonerman, and I'm the product manager and lead developer for the evriiRobot product. evriiRobot came from the vision of robotics, and specifically industrial robotics, are not very accessible to end users. The complexity in safety, design, controls, architecture, operator ease of use, all created a very high barrier to entry for a lot of manufacturers. And we thought that the evriiRobot platform is the perfect implementation for lowering that barrier to entry through a generative suite of software that lowers the cost for the end user while maintaining the solution where the user does not need to know about the safety, about the control theory, or about the design practices necessary to create a reliable, quality robotic system that can meet your uptime and cycle time demands. In today's manufacturing space, it's consumer driven, and as such, products change on a daily, monthly, quarterly basis. And as such, a manufacturer needs to be able to change how their automation behaves when their product changes. And evriiRobot is designed to have that capacity. The two core features that we want to highlight for evriiRobot is the web portal that allows a user to log in, create a user account, and build their first evriiRobot in minutes. This allows them to see a 3D rendering, price point, delivery time at that point of creation, as well as purchase it through that web interface. Our easy-to-use recipe navigator, which allows a user to create a recipe according to their specific product demands and allow the whole robotic system to change its paths, change its operation according to their specific desires. As long as the tooling can handle it, the system will allow for it. In the same way that manufacturers and logistics suppliers look to automate in order to realize efficiencies, the evriiRobot platform looks to automate the design of automation in order to pass those efficiencies on to the end user. We have reimagined the future of robotics.